Hello everyone. Today I will introduce my homework about for the week 9. Okay, this is the title of the page. First, we will answer the question assignment question based on the case study, describing and supplementary reading. Okay, the project overview. The Section Software Development Project is a large scale intermittent resource planning is we call it ERP system implementation for multiplication cooperation in the manufacture sectors. The project aims to streamline business process, enhance operating effect, and integrate various business functions across multiple locations worldwide. The scope of the project ensures past requirements guide the system designing, develop, testing, develop, and ongoing support. It involved the integral model of influence harmful resource supply chain management, project planning, and customer relationship management. Okay, CMML level achieving. The product achieving capital macro model integral level, we can call the CMML. 3 multiply rating and the level the organization processing a definition document and standard coding the entire project life cycle. There is a focus on the organization process, a definition document, and standard crossing the entire project life cycle. This is a focus on processing employment and instruction to ensure consecutive delivery of high quality project. Impact of this on project ultimate outcomes, times and budget quality. CMPI's significant contribution to better time management throughout the project lifecycle. Clear process definition and standard produce is able to ensure task planning, resource allocation, and scheduling. As a result, the project achieving closing of to its timelines with Mr. achieved on schedule, budget, and qualities. We can to the discovering approaching force of the ICMMI have been the controlling process cost by the established and basic estimate and closely monitors quality. One of the most mobile of the impacts of CMMI products was the improvement in software quality, the hardware process in touchings. This is all of this can help us. Okay, contribution to successful. CMMI participates players provide roles in the successful of ERP implementation project by providing a structured framework for the project management and exerting members' functions, effective communication, and decision-making. More of the focus on the distribution, implement, and encourage the identification and implementation of the best participants, leading to enhanced project and customer certifications. Okay, there is a article of the CMML model where the CMMI has provided emphasis in the promoting process multiply and employing project outcomes in traditional software development environment. It's our limitation in today's legal landscape. Strong's process, strong standardization CMMI encourage organization to establish well definition process will can enhance report and predictability in project execution. Quality focus and risk management. These are the strengths and the weakness. You can see the flexibility and document overhand and the cultural registers. In the flexible, the CMMI's register process framework with handle and the agility required to respond to the rapidly changing customers' needs. So its is flexible and documentation overhand. The documentation requires of this can provide other things, so they need so much, and the culture rejects things. Okay, I will answer the second question. Software quality standard. First, you can say this is the word is too small about this. I'm very sorry. Okay, requirements and the package impact. Okay, you can say provide a framework for the design and evaluation software quality, characteristics and subcharacteristics. It outlines quality model cover aspects such as function, reliable usability, information, and maintainable maintainability and probability. That's all. And fourth, this is a requirement and impact and approach to quality assess. This is some such as requirements analysis, design reviews, code impacts, and testing. This is impact of early and continuous quality assurance activities. Breach of application. The standard has a broad applicability across different types of software projects, including standard application, embeddable system, and code-based solution. One challenging is ahead of this in the complete of and minor subjective qualities, requirements and impact approach to the quality issues, breadth of application and challenges. That's all about of the questions. Okay, discussion. We discussion the portion and benefit implied the ISO and IEC can bring several benefits to software development projects. Those standards provide clearly guidance and bias to participate for ensure software qualities and managing the development process efficiently. Drawbacks. However, there are also drawbacks to the considered override strike to those standards may introduce overhead in the teams of documents, process, and compliance efforts. Organization may face registers for the team's members and the flexible or ad hoc development. In conclusion, ISO and IEC play circle roles in the implementation software project quality of by the frameworks work and definition quality cultures and managing the development process will those standard for the valuable guidance and the biased participants. Okay, we'll see the next questions. This participants and the quality employment. Okay, continuous of integers is AI of impact of qualities. You can say impact of qualities. Continuous integers involved integers codes change into a shared responsibility for frequently followed by the automated buildings and tests. This process ensures the code change the testing as soon as they are completions. Real-world example software developer teams adopt CI by setting up a service. Impact of qualities continuous developers and expand and the principle of CI by automating the development process enable to the software release to be developed to production or staging environment quickly and reliable. This is a real-world example. A software company employs CD people using the tools like Coleman and Doctor to automate to the development. Impact of quality and real-world example. This is the automate. Now we will see today's challenge and the protection of the potatoes. Cultural regions are this the same reasons by with the first question. It have the culture representations like the CMMI. Introduced these participants may face resistance from team members coming to the traditional solo house development and operating rules. Building a culture of this and shared responsibility is established for successful adoptions. Tooling complexity implies develops process requires the adoption of various tools and technologies for the automation and monitoring. Managing the conflicts of those tools and integrate them into the exact workflows can be challenging. And security conscious economic and repeat development introduces these practices may pose security risk if the paper measure for the modeling schemes allow assessing control and out, and the Legends system integrates practices into Legends software development environment with the monitor legal outrage of out-of-date processing may require significant resources and repairing efforts. Conclusion: these development participants play a critical role in the enhance the quality of the software project by promoting atomic testing, a key prominent and the key to code quality, reduce time to work and multiple risk. However, integral developments into this software mentions of the organization challenged by those organization can achieve higher level of this in the software delivers. Okay, my lecture is introduced ending. Thank you for your listening.